My name is Dante Gagne. I'm a developer and a tester in the team that created Microsoft Expression Blend. If you don't know what Blend is, let me tell you a little about it and you'll want to know a lot more. Blend is a UI design and creation tool for new generation experiences. It works with the Windows Presentation Foundation, which is a UI engine for Windows Vista and XP. Blend targets the interactive designers. Now, I've been working with my team to help create a tool whose main focus is to let the designer get into the UI design and bring their unique talents to bear. Everything from the look and feel to the way it interacts is there to help you, the designer, unlock the potential of WPF and create the next generation of user interfaces. WPF has features to help manage the layout of your controls and keep them where you want them when your application gets moved or resized. You don't need to calculate every possible position or arrangement of your controls when your user resizes. Powerful tools like the grid have it all taken care of. Check this out and imagine how much effort you'll save by using the intuitive panels to get automatic layout behavior like this. We'll go through these layout panels and you'll see how to build this kind of layout quickly and easily. Let's look at a scenario. The product catalog is from New York, the warehouse is in Chicago, and 20 stores throughout the United States all have different needs. Writing an application to bring all the data together is something any developer can do. But creating an experience that gets the right data to your user and keeps your user's attention focused where you need it is the art of the designer. Data binding is the key to accomplish that. It connects data to user interface. It lets you visualize the data, emphasize the information that you want to emphasize, but still keeps everything available when it's needed. Every single computer user on this earth has seen a rectangular gray button that says OK. We're sick of the rectangular gray button. So let's start using something else. With the Styles and Templates features built into control editing in WPF, you can create your own buttons and make them look and behave in any way that you want them to. If you want an oblong pentagon, you can create it. If you want a neon green button that sways back and forth when the mouse gets close to it, you can create it. If you want buttons that have 3D elements in them and video clips, you can create those too. Break away from the rectangular gray button and let your creativity run wild. Pick up a sheet of paper. It might have pictures, it might have words, it might have charts or graphs, but there's one thing it's not going to do: move. Okay, if you crumple it up and throw it, that's not what I'm talking about. Animation and movement are the keys to keeping your users focused and engrossed. Subtle things like a button getting brighter when the mouse is over it is what makes the application warmer and feeling more comfortable for the user. That's the next generation of user interface design, and Blend will help you unlock the animation in your applications. Draw out that movement and grab your user, and separate yourself from applications that look like a piece of paper taped onto a monitor. You know, I recently visited the Museum of Modern Art in New York, and you know what I realized? Art isn't flat anymore. You walk around and you see amazing, eye-catching pieces, and they're not on a flat canvas tacked to a wall. Sculptures and movement are examples of art today. To some people, user interface is their type of art. We may not be able to come physically off the monitor yet, but imagine the kinds of user interfaces we could create if we were no longer visually limited to only flat surfaces. Thanks to the WPF and Blend, our user interfaces can imitate art and take that step into the third dimension. Some designers like to work with code, some don't. Some designers like to work with developers and concentrate on the art, and some designers like to do it all themselves. One of the strengths of Blend is that it serves the need of both of these types of designers. By integrating with Visual Studio, designers can quickly write code and implement their own behaviors, but through custom controls and event handlers, designers can also integrate their designs with code written by someone else. Blend works to keep the designer-developer association as tight or as loose as you want it to be. I told you you'd want to learn about Blend. By now, you've got to want to get into this tool. Total Training and I have created a series to help you learn how to do all of this and more. Not only will I teach you how to find your way around Blend with the Microsoft Expression Blend Essentials series, but I'll teach you some of the tricks to help you get your work done faster and more efficiently than you realize. Head to totaltraining.com/Microsoft and check out this and other training series. From here, it's all up to you.